solved problems. Accounting equation. Problem. Mr. Joy started his own delivery service by deliveries on May 1, 2015. The following transactions occurred during the month of May. May 1. Mr. Joy invested TK 30,000 cash in the business. May 2. Purchased a van for TK 10,000, paid TK 2,000 in cash and signed a notes payable for remaining balance. 3. Paid TK 5,000 for office rent for 2 months. 4. Performed TK 2,400 for services on account. May 13. Purchased supplies for TK 500 on account. May 17. Received cash TK 750 for services provided on May 4. May 21. Made a cash payment of TK 4,000 on the notes payable. May 26. Service revenue earned of TK 30,000, TK 10,000 in cash, and the customers were billed for the balance. May 28. Received cash TK 1,500 as full settlement for supplies and services provided on May 4. May 30. Depreciation charged TK 1,000. May 31. Paid TK 1,000 for employee salaries. Show the effect of each of the above transactions on the accounting equation. Solution. Let us prepare the worksheet to explain the accounting equation. Date, transaction, asset, account title amount, liability account title amount, owner's equity account title and amount. May 1st. Mr. Joy invested 30,000 cash in the business. Asset. On the asset side, cash debit 30,000. In owner's equity, Mr. Joy's capital 30,000. May 2. Purchased van for TK 10,000, paid TK 2,000 in cash and signed a notes payable for remaining balance. Van debit on the asset side 10,000, cash credit on the asset side 2,000, notes payable, liability 8,000. May 3rd, paid TK 5,000 for office rent for 2 months. On the asset side cash minus 5,000 and owner's equity office rent minus 4,000. May 4. Performed TK 2,400 for services on account. On the asset side, accounts receivable debit 2,400, in the owner's equity service revenue 2,400. 13th May. Purchased supplies of TK 500 on account. On the asset side, accounts receivable 500, and owner's equity supplies account 5,000. May 17. Received cash TK 750 for service provided. On May 4. Cash debit 750, accounts receivable credit 750. 21st May. Made a cash payment of TK 4,000 on the notes payable. Cash minus 4,000, notes payable minus 4,000. May 26. Service revenue earned 30,000. TK 10,000 in cash and the customers were billed for the balance. Cash debit 10,000, accounts receivable debit 20,000. Service revenue 30,000 to owner's equity. May 28. Received cash 1,500 as full settlement for services provided on May 4. Cash debit 1,500. Account receivable credit 1,650. Discount the owner's equity minus 150. May 30. Depreciation charged 1,000. In the assets, accumulated depreciation minus 1,000. In owner's equity, depreciation 1,000 minus. 31st May. Paid TK 1,000 for employee salaries. On the asset side, cash minus 1,000. Owner's equity salaries minus 1,000. Total assets 59,750. Total liabilities 4,000. Total owner's equity 55,750. Accounting equation. Assets is equal to liabilities plus owner's equity. Accounting equation is equal to 59,750 is equal to 4,000 plus 55,750. Accounting equation is equal to 59,750 is equal to 59,750. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Accounts Lobby for various solved problems and lectures on accountancy.